Nung tamani wansakok sao, nung tamani kokborok by video Khaiya, nung kokborok maya de, nini boyfriend wansha de, nung wansha by de kaijak mai. So these are some comments I have been receiving on my recent vlogs. So guys, I want all of you to know that I am Payel Tripura and I am from Bangladesh. And I'm a singer in Bangladesh, and also I'm a national artist in Bangladesh, and I have achieved this title on 2011. And as a national artist, I thought maybe I should speak in Bangla. Just because I was speaking in Bangla, that doesn't mean that I can't speak in Kokborok. To some of you, I want to say that stop assuming things. So, as I'm a Bangladeshi girl, Bangla is my national language. I can't deny this fact. Even if I make some vlogs from next time in English or in Kokborok, I can make it. But the fact is that Bangla is going to be my national language always. I can't deny that fact, right? And also I think as a human being, everyone should respect every language. And if I'm comfortable in speaking in Bangla, that doesn't mean I can't speak in Kokborok. In Bangladesh, there are several tribal communities like Chakma, Marma, Garo, Mrung, Tanchongya. So I was speaking in Bangla because I want all of them to understand. And about making vlogs in Kokborok, I will try to make vlogs in Kokborok. Please don't assume things. Just because I wasn't speaking in Kokborok, that doesn't mean I can't speak in Kokborok. So that was it. The video was about why I was speaking in Bangla, and I think now after watching this video you guys will know why I was speaking in Bangla. And from my next vlog, I will try to make videos in English so that everyone can understand. And yeah, that's it. Hope you all have a good day.